Welcome. I am glad to meet you all again. We live on one earth and we live under one sky. We live in with one air. Yeah, the same as only one water in the world. I'm sorry. Right now I'm trying to talking in English language. Uh, I hope the people uh, uh, of the world, Minang people especially, uh, no one after this day, no one uh, he's lying with Musradah Rizal alias Makati with big liar uh, about adat Sabatang Panjang must be using the Minang people is if one to say if one be a Minang people must be using the rule the name of agreement adat Sebatang Panjang. But that man lying 4 years ago, he say for name agreement adat Sepadang Panjang. Name of them is Tuan Indomo on Suraso, Tuanku Kadi on Padang Gantiang, Tuan Bandarokayo on Sumania, and Tuan Titah in Sungai Tarap. Yeah, he said like that 4 years ago, and people saw that video, maybe 1,000, 2,000 people download, even the people share. Yeah. And right now the big liar Musrada Rizal Makati said different name than 4 years ago. Right now he said for name agreement adat Sebatang Panjang law, all the rule must be using Minang people with a name of suku, custom, anything on adat Minangkabau. We know trade make, yeah. That name right now he said is Datuk Katumanggungan. That one. Two, the name of Datuk Parpati. The third name he said Angku Maharajo Basa. And four men he said is Datuk Suri Dirajo. Yeah. Especially I'm not agree about the sense of the world said a million years ago this fossil, or I am not agree about the Makati said the stories, histories, theology, science, reality, or the truth. He said with the name of Antah Barantah or Alun Barabalun. You know what I mean? Okay, we talk next, yeah. about the rule of Minang, that man Makati lying and make destroy mindset new generation or older generation of Minang country. Yeah, they said about one point. Anyway, then and this and like accident to make Malaysian and Brunei Darussalam lying lie or destroy mindset because of Musra Rizal Makati two very stupid, crazy, yeah. And no one said this truth. I don't know what happened. Everybody silent, yeah. I hope you all support this channel, free edit, free share, yeah. I am glad to meet you. I say again, I'm glad to meet you. I hope we meet on new post, yeah. We talk much a problem must be clear, must be correct, and so far no good. So far is very bad in knowledge and understood. Oh yes, I'm forgot about his Islam stories, theology, science, the truth about year Nabi Adam, ya, Nabi Adam only 5,872 before Nabi Isa born, ya. In Indonesia language sebelum Masehi, ya, 5,872,000, ya, 5,872 sebelum Masehi, before Nabi Isa born, ya. Only 5,000 or 6,000 year before Nabi Isa Isa al-Masih born. And I'm not understand the sign of the world said a million years ago, in Islam story only 5,000 or 6,000 years before Isa born. You know what I mean? Okay, thank you very much. Maaf sana aku dibayar bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Langi seketek sana. Tu biar go internasional go mah channel YouTube go sana anda untuk orang awak aku doh. Jadi kalau ndak hati-hati, kalau ndak sana tanggapi go urusannya Interpol go sana. Kalau ambo ndak menerima keadilan, kalau ndak ditanggapi usulan ambo mengenai kaderisasi, itu kok di Malaysia tukang goreng banyak, di Brunei tukang goreng channel YouTube ambo banyak. Ambo bebaskan saja yang sana lah. Di WA ambo tuh baca buah tuh mampe negara ambo punya WA. Jadi tolong hati-hati sana ste, jangan menganggap enteng lah. Tuh di WA Ambo tuh ada MAKN, ada Matra, ada di sana Brunei, ada dari Thailand, macam-macam. Jadi tolong hati-hati di sana. Lah, terima kasih banyak. Maaf lahir dan batin. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Ko ke negara Ambo. Ko Ambo menggagas go acara puncaknya 7 baleh Juni tahun 2008 baleh. Katanya lah orang ke negarian tuh. Jadi metode ko bisa dipakai go untuk selingkaran Minang dari antau Jubusia. Banyak pengalaman siko ke sana. Bisa dipakai pengalaman untuk menyatuan Minang lah.